Hello, Assalamualaikum everyone. Welcome to my YouTube channel Economics Study with Farhana. Today I am gonna tell you how you will create lag variable and how you will create fast difference variable using STATA. So let's get started. Suppose this is a panel data set, and now first I need to declare the data set as panel data. So for this I am going to statistics, then longitudinal panel data, then setup and utilities, and then declare data set to be panel data. Then I have to select here panel variable, that is country, and then the time variable, that is year, and it is basically yearly basis. Here in this way I have declared the data set as panel data. Now I will show you how we'll create first lag of a variable. Suppose here I want to find out the first leg of the inflation variable. And for this I need to write here the command gen a space, and now you have to provide a new variable name, and I am providing it inflation on. And then you need to provide equal to sign. Then you need to write here L on. Then you need to provide dot, and then you need to write here the variable name. That means on which variable you need to find out the lag on values. Here I have given L on because I want to find out the lag on values. The variable is basically the inflation, so I need to write here inflation. Now you need to press enter. So here new variable has been generated. This inflation on is the lag on values of this inflation variable. Now how you will find out the lag to value of this inflation? Again need to write the same command, and now you need to provide another name of the variable. Here I am providing inflation 2, and as I need to find out the lag to value, that's why I need to provide here L2, and all will be as it is. Now you need to press enter. So lag to values of the inflation has also been generated. In this way you can find out lag on, lag 2 and lag 3 values of a specific variable. Now I will show you how you will find out the first difference variable. Now suppose I want to find out the first difference value of the variable unemployment. For this I need to write here the command gen d unemploy. Here you need to provide a new variable name as your wish. So here I have written d unemploy, and then you need to provide equal to, then d dot your variable name of which you want to find out the first difference value. So here as the variable name is unemployment, I need to write here unemployment, and now you need to press enter. So the first difference variable has also been generated. Here we can see that d unemployed is the first difference values of the variable unemployment. So in this way you can create the first difference values and lag values of a specific variable. I hope you will find this video helpful. So if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe my channel. Allah Hafiz.